Susanna from 6 Pinta SKTBN. This is my hydraulic elevator. I have used this concept to create a car elevator that lifts the vehicle to a higher elevation. This way, my racing cars can take on the next track adventure before racing down the track. Here, let me explain further. Hydraulic elevators are powered by hydraulic jack, which are fluid-driven pistons that travel inside of a cylinder. They use the compression of fluids to generate movement. The elevator is lifted by an electric motor that pumps oil into the cylinder to move the piston. The fluid needed to power a hydraulic elevator must be oil-based. Vegetable oil or biodegradable oil can be used as environmentally friendly options. Let's look at an example. The strangers behave as hydraulic pumps. I used blue dyed water as the hydraulic fluid to demonstrate the movement. For the ram and leaf structures, I used recycled boxes and cardboards. Cut, glue them together, place the strangers this way, and ta-da! I have made a hydraulic elevator. To know how I built this hydraulic elevator, watch my other video when I take you through the steps. Now, let me show you how my hydraulic elevator works. Firstly, I place my racing cars on the ramp which goes through the back entrance, here. Then I press the syringe containing the hydraulic fluid. It pumps the fluid through this tube and into the empty syringe barrel in the leaf structure. As the empty syringe fills up, it pushes the plunger outwards. This action elevates the car ram which sits on the plunger. Once the ram is up, the cars on the slanted platform releases them onto the racing track. To move the elevator down, I pull this syringe plunger out. This action sucks the hydraulic fluid back into its barrel and lowers the other syringe plunger that carries the elevator. Now that the elevator is here, I can place my cars in position for the next race. Fun, isn't it? Where can you find hydraulic elevators? You can see them used at car parks where cars are parked in multi-level ramps to save space. They are also used at car workshops where cars are elevated for repair. Hydraulic elevators require a lot of energy to raise the cab and need operate at a slow speed. That is why hydraulic elevators are only intended for buildings that are up to 7 stories high. However, it is quicker to install and less expensive compared to other elevator types. It is also ideal for transporting heavy loads. Hydraulic elevators are very useful in the real world, as well as for fun and play like this. I hope you have enjoyed my video on how hydraulic elevator works. Bye!